I seen this motherfucker come way across the road. This joker's huge. Where he go? Oh my God, where did he go? Where did the bear go? Oh, there you go, right there. Dang. Man. That joker was huge. Well, he wasn't that huge, but he's big enough. Gone now, man. I don't know what's going on. I done seen a fox cross the road, come to the road looking real raggedy and scraggly. And I seen a bear today. That's wild. Sorry I didn't get it. Our plants did mighty well during the frost. Actually, it's starting to bud a little bit. Get flowers down in there. We're gonna have our first harvest in about a week. Man, good morning, y'all. You gotta put the chickens on lockdown. That's all we got left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It was like 20 the other day. They dropping like flies, man. I think a owl or a hawk or something, or a fox got into me the other night. I walked out here in the middle of the night. It was, well, in the morning on my way to work. It was a chicken just laying out there in the middle of the yard. What in the world? It was a chicken up there on the edge of the fence. I don't know what's going on. But we fertilize them with the plant and kept, fish and kept, fertilize them. Yesterday, says do it every 2 weeks. Spinach, oh my. I'm gonna have to snap these heads off the top of my spinach. I don't want them to seed out. Something right there, I forgot what they call it. Might mean I need to harvest it. I might have messed up, who knows. Cucumbers. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I got a cucumber growing. It ain't all bad. Do I sound like I'm sad about the death of my chickens? No. Oh, Lord. What happened to you? My lavender. Lord have mercy. Hopefully, we'll have some squash, zucchini, or something grow up out of this. There's plenty of flowers in there.
Okay, I gotta go put it back.
What?
It's cold.
It's not cold. It's not cold.
It's like 0 degrees.
Hey, cuz, he broke the line right at the very end.
Oh, wow.
I got him out the water.
As soon as you got him out of the water, boy, that thing like it's about 9 pounds.
Oh, wow.
He's a lip ripper, though. I'm out here ripping lips, baby. Yeah. I give him about, what you say, about 4 pounds? About 5 pounds?
Maybe 2.5.
Wait.
You think so?
A strong 3.
No, you feel
Strong 3.
Strong 3?
No, I'm good. I'm good. Oh, wow. I did not know that's how my foot.
Hold it. See how much it weighs.
I'm good.
It might be 3 solid pounds.
Oh, wow.
Give me a picture right quick. You got a picture?
Hold up. It's black. So hold the fish the other way, man. Tell him, get your hand off his tail. Try to get you a little walk. Oh snap! I forgot I was still recording.
My toes and my toes ain't done.
What you saying?
I can't get this off me.
How did it get in
You caught me.
you? What?
My hook's in your truck.
Probably on the back of the truck.
Probably.
Look at that dang on pork tenderloin I put on broil for about 10-15 minutes. We're gonna chop that thing up. We're gonna put it in the dog food. We're gonna mix it up. Everybody gonna get a good plate. They're gonna eat good this morning. Gonna chop it up. Put it in there on broil for about 5 more minutes. Just mixing up the rice and dog food. Do not put chickens around your freshly planted garden. Keep them far away. Far, far, far away. Cause they gonna eat your stuff up, man. Unless you got a guard on it, you gotta put you a guard on it. Put you a guard on it. That's the only thing that seems to have been working. Is saving them plants over there. Any type of little fencing to do. And as you can see how really efficient it is, if you look right there, you have some beautiful plants. And you look over here, you got where the chickens and then just picked it down. But they do what they do, man. It's a part of farming. I don't mind. As long as they happy, I'm happy. I'm gonna eat regardless. They killed my poor little squash plant though. Lord have mercy. Bowls prepared. Now ain't that looking good? I know this. You like 15 days anyway. I'll scoop.
I think it just implanted.
Where's the cup? I need a scoop. What is this? Half a cup? I'm gonna start off giving a half a cup. I don't think that's gonna work. It's gonna work. It has no choice but to work. Speak positivity. See, look at that. You said it'll work, it don't work. Oh. Oh. Drop some. I'll be back. All right.
I'm shy now.
Go ahead. Hit me with it. 1, 2, 3.
Bon appetit! Did I get that down? Did you hit play? Okay.
All right, so who's you grabbing? Them? Grab 2. All right. I'm open the door. You go out there.
Wait, hold
You
on.
be safe. Be safe. Go. Go. Go.
Why is Faith up there?
So they can eat.
Oh, wow. Here you go. Bon appetit.
Hey, hey. Here you go a plate. Hey, son. Little highball. It's my coon dog. Vet's Best. Oh, there you go. Plant-based formula kills mosquitoes, fleas, flea larvae, flea eggs, and ticks. Concentrate for outdoor use. We about to put it to use.
Ready?
Yeah. Pretty sure it would.
Yes. It's for the yard? Oh, wow, that's cool.
All the fleas, ticks, and mosquitoes.
Look at me.
Where we at, babe?
Newburn.
Got the water to our bike. We're about to walk to go get the breakfast and then come back, come bike and have a picnic. Woot, woot. Pick a nickel. It might be a boat dog. They look like a shiny dog. Yeah, coronavirus ain't really hitting hard down here because why, babe?
Because we're spaced out more.
We're in the country.
Yeah.
It ain't congested.
Not all of them copy each other, living on top of each other.
Yeah, these people got boats and hoes. Let's cross the road. Look at this house. Look like the Addams family.
Yes, it do. I was trying to
In New Bern, they got a bear next to almost every establishment. Honoring 3 generations of hand family dentists in downtown New Bern. We're gonna see how many bears we can find.